Let's do the cheek lifting exercise again, because there are so many questions asking the step by step how to do it. I know it's difficult at the beginning, even though you don't see the movement. Try it, keep doing it. Sometimes you're activating your muscles, your muscle is working out, but you don't see it yet. One day it will show. At first, relax your forehead, relax your eyebrow area, and the rest of your face. Your shoulder. Say, oh. Then create a connection between your mind and the cheek muscles. The best way to do it is to look at yourself in the mirror. Even better if you use your fingers here. Oh. Relax the rest of your face, only your muscles lifting. Oh. At the beginning, you may not see the movement, you may not see up and down, but you are really exercising it. When you exercise the inferior muscles, you are creating the muscle memory. You get the muscle stronger, and it will be able to separate from the other muscle next to it. So eventually, you will be able to separate the cheek muscle with the eye muscles, and you don't see many lines. I know it looks scary when you do the exercise and you see too many folds up here. It's okay. I got it before, and just me, it will be better. It's really, facial exercises is magic. It's not something like you get the results overnight, but if you do it consistency, the result is amazing and it's worth it.